Careers in the advanced manufacturing cluster range from production of goods and services to engineering and management roles. Automation is transforming existing jobs while also creating new roles involving more problem-solving, data analysis, and overseeing advanced technology. Many manufacturing occupations require a high school diploma or less, and new hires can also earn a technical certificate on the job. Examples include welders, machinists, chemical plant operators, and industrial machinery mechanics. Youth apprenticeships and internship programs invite youth and young adults to get an early start. A short-term certificate program or associate's degree can open the door to a manufacturing career in a variety of fields, including mechanical drafters, CNC tool programmers, and technicians of many kinds, chemical, geothermal, environmental science, robotics, and more. Manufacturing certifications and technical certificates will also stack to build toward a degree. Apprenticeships are common in the manufacturing industry and offer wages while training for a skilled trade. Apprenticeships in these fields may be available. CNC machine operator, industrial manufacturing technician, robotics technician, precision machinist, aerospace engineer, and tool and die maker. Manufacturing careers that require a 4-year degree offer more management and design tasks. These include water resource specialists, commercial and industrial designers, quality control analysts, industrial production managers, and many types of engineers, such as aerospace, biomedical, industrial health and safety, robotics, and others. Graduate degree careers in the cluster include statisticians, materials scientists, biochemists, and biophysicists. Is a career in advanced manufacturing for you? Keep these points in mind. Many jobs pay family-sustaining wages with good benefits, without any degree required. Skills developed in manufacturing work, such as robot programming, can be applied to many jobs in this and other career clusters, giving workers career resilience and flexibility. Manufacturing facilities often operate 24/7, so work schedules may require working late shifts and weekends, or rotating shifts. Overtime may sometimes be required. Working conditions may include loud noise, heat or cold, chemical hazards, repetitive lifting, or standing for long periods of time. Advantages of work in manufacturing include working with cutting-edge technology, performing hands-on work with real-world results, and ample career advancement opportunity. Whatever your career direction, you can find options that fit. Keep exploring at careeronestop.org/explorecareers.